Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving identity and affiliation. Sign into the Google Business Profile account or request access now. Make sure you have a government ID, a recent utility or bank statement showing business address, and clear photos of the storefront and signage. Once logged in, attempt to claim the profile. If claim is blocked, click Request Access and choose the option to contact the current manager. Do this immediately because ownership claims trigger Google's verification workflow and preserve existing reviews and data. Once you've initiated access, follow the verification path Google offers. Postcard is common, but request video verification if time-sensitive or if address issues exist. Fill every field accurately: business name, address formatting, primary category, and service areas, because mismatches cause denials. Upload your supporting documents as PDFs or high-resolution images and label them clearly. If the profile was suspended or marked duplicate, submit the reinstatement or ownership dispute form with a short chronology of ownership and attachments. This expedites human review. You finish by accepting ownership and immediately updating key profile elements: hours, phone, website, and photos, so Google's system sees active management. Make sure to add a primary owner and enable two-step verification on the account to prevent future lockouts. Watch the support threads and respond within 24-48 hours if Google requests clarifications. If recovery is denied, don't panic. Compile clearer proof. Include dated invoices or recent lease, and submit a focused reinstatement appeal referencing the original case ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.